I am finally here in Amsterdam. I'm so excited. I arrived actually last night. I had a lot of delays because of my train. So I got on the train and then they were like, oh, it canceled. You have to all get off like I think maybe 2 hours in, and it was a 6-hour train. So I had to wait about like an hour and a half to get on the next train. And then because there were so many people, we were all just packed. It was a little bit slower, so then there was like another hour delay. So I got in around 12 a.m. last night. The only thing I really did was go to a cafe this morning. I'm still so tired. You can probably hear from my voice. So I'm just gonna walk around and then check out Amsterdam. I really don't have any plans. I saved some places I want to go, and then I'm just gonna, I don't know, just adventure around. But this place looks really cool, so I'm super excited.
Straight to the
I had to get some pans, so I got some up-tempo pans. I've always wanted to go there. I had it saved on my phone like a long time ago. I spent like way too much money on it, but it was worth it for sure. So I just had one night at the hotel, and now I just checked into my Airbnb. I was walking around a little bit because I had some time to kill, and this Airbnb is actually pretty nice. I wasn't sure how it was gonna be because it is a shared space. You do have your private rooms, and then there's a shared shower, but actually it's more private than I thought it was gonna be. I'm trying not to spend a lot on hotels because I've spent a lot already, but I do like my privacy, so I'm pretty happy with this place. It has a fridge, you can make some coffee and tea. It has a closet. They give you a lock so you can lock your door. It's pretty private, it's pretty safe, and it's not noisy at all. I'm right behind the busy area in Central, so it's walking distance, and it's also walking distance to the train, which I took from Berlin. And I'm gonna go to this station again when I go to London. So this area is just really cool, it's really convenient. So my plans tonight, honestly, I haven't had much of an appetite today, so I'm probably gonna go and eat some food, find a cool restaurant. So it's another day here in Amsterdam. So earlier I just went to a cafe and I had some coffee and a little bit of carrot cake, which was super, super delicious. And I think my plans today, I'm just gonna walk around, see what's happening. There's a museum I want to go to, and then I think I may take a boat around the canal. So yeah. Across a really cool Chatime, which comes down in a conveyor belt. It was my first time seeing something like that. You know, every single time I travel, I always pick up a bubble tea wherever I go. So, you know, I had to do it when I'm here. So I picked up this mango QQ with tapioca and coconut jelly, I guess. It's really good. So I took a little break here on a bench, and then I noticed someone left like a whole outfit here. They left their shoes and everything. So I think maybe someone went skinny dipping here or something. I don't know, but the view is really pretty here. I just wanted to take like a little break, just chilling, you know. So I booked tickets to Our House, which is an electronic music museum. While I waited for the show to start, I was just checking around the store. The design was pretty dope and it had a lot of cool merchandise you can buy. And then it was time to go inside. So this place had multiple rooms that you can go in. Here they showed the museum map. They had a lot of EDM memorabilia, like Marshmallow's helmet, and they also had Deadmau5's helmet too, which was pretty cool. So they gave you time to just walk around to check everything out. They showed a lot of history about electronic music. And if you're into DJing, they had a lot of interactive equipment that you can use. This guy was making some sick beats. They also had this room where you can watch this video and learn about the roots of electronic music. Here they showed the evolution of some music genres, and look how cool this thing is. So here I am making some sick beats, pretending like I know how to DJ. Some equipment from the legend Armin. You can take this knowledge quiz, and yep, I got that wrong. You can also choose a track that you want to listen to, and then it pops up on the screen. I love how there's so many interactive things you can do here. And now it's time for the main show. So we all go back into the main room. They play a video talking about the history of music, the evolution. The lights were pretty crazy, like they had lasers and everything. And also at times the floor was vibrating, so it was pretty cool. So at the end, everyone was just dancing and getting really into it. It started to get a little cold, so I just put on the jacket that I bought from the flea market. But yeah, that was so much fun. I always wanted to go to that museum. I don't go to a lot of museums, but this one, it was electronic music and DJ themed, so of course I had to go. It was really dope. They played some of my favorite songs. Alright, so I'm back in my Airbnb. This is my last full day in Amsterdam. I take a train tomorrow to London, and oh my god, it's been so beautiful here. The canals are gorgeous, and it's just really fun to just walk around and explore. I feel like there's so many stores and things to see, and a lot of really good food. So I overall had a really good time in Amsterdam, and I'm sure I'll probably be back again. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.